As you're about to see, I did a wind test with my new little thingamajigger. It's pretty neat. And yeah, fuck it, here we go. The channel is getting better. And we've only renamed it like 3 times. Okay, so much improved, and I'm super excited for Ordinary Matt Adventures. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to get a video up tonight. It'll probably take forever to upload because it's longer. Yep, and then I'm gonna try to get another video up. And as you're gonna see, the content's just gonna keep improving because we've got cool little things like this. So stay tuned, and until then, go get a life, because I did today, and it was awesome. Swimming again. Let's go.